Hello, welcome to our Heritage Works. Today, we're making a burrito casserole. The first thing you will need to do is to prepare some taco meat. Just follow the instructions on the package, or you can use your own. While the taco meat is being prepared, you can mix some salsa, whatever your favorite kind is, with some sour cream and 1 egg. The egg is there just to give it some body. Once your taco meat has been prepared, go ahead and put in a can of your favorite refried beans. I'm using low sodium refried beans just because that's what I like. You can also add a little bit of your salsa to this mixture. Now that your filling is prepared, you're going to get your casserole dish, put some tortillas in the bottom, then you're going to start filling this like a lasagna. You're going to put a layer of your meat mixture, add some cheese, add another layer of tortillas, add your salsa and sour cream mixture, and just keep layering this until you reach the top. Once you're done, make sure cheese is on the top, and then put it in the oven at 350 degrees and bake it until heated through and that the cheese on top is golden brown. Allow to cool for a few minutes, then slice and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and come visit us on Instagram or on Patreon.